I'm Jim, and this is my project car. I'm going to take you for a walk around. It's a 1968, was a coupe, and I had this crazy daydream when I woke up one day about putting this roof on this car, and I just had to do it, so I did. You can see it's still in rough shape. It hasn't had any finish work done. I had to trim the pocket and slide this metal forward to make the trunk pocket. You can see in there. And obviously Ford didn't make a trunk lid to fit this, so I got this lid from US Body out of Florida. It's a racing skin, except he added another layer or two of fiberglass to give it some stiffness. This is my favorite body style of Mustang. For some reason, it might have something to do with me being born in 1968. Here's your 68 emblems on the side. Like I said, the roof is from a 66 Fastback. The interior, the seats are from that same Fastback. And I have all the panels to put in there to finish that out. And it's never going to be a show car. It's always going to be driven and played with and hot rodded. The doors and the front fenders are new panels. They're not Ford. They're Dynacorn, supposedly. But I went with the deleted side marker. This is a 67 fender. Aftermarket chrome bumpers. The front fascia and the rear valance are all factory originals. That is the original grill out of one of my two cars I started with to build this project. The front end is Granada brakes. That's a junkyard swap, basically. The rear end is a Ford 9-inch from a Fairlane. I'm hoping you can see all that under there. The exhaust is my idea. It's really loud. Kind of drives you crazy when you're on those long hauls. I think you guys were talking about that in a live stream. But let's go to it's a 5-speed. It's a T5 5-speed. Under the hood is a Cleveland. It's a 2V block, 2-bolt main. And no, it's not a 390. I've had this car for almost 27 years. And I've worked on it off and on over those years. And I'll probably own this the rest of my life. I don't have any intentions of selling it. up cleaning the brakes.